In this video, we will learn how to convert text to speech in first half using Kokoro model, and then speech to subtitles using Whisper model in second half. We will use the White Eagle's Kokoro-Onnx repo for the text to speech, the link in description. For the speech to text, we will use Autosubs from Toolchain as shown here. Let's begin with text to speech conversion. Create a new folder in your system. Open Terminal on that folder and create a virtual environment. Install the dependencies as shown here using requirements.txt. Download the app.py file from the examples folder in this repo to the folder you created. Download the models from the models page and place it in the folder where the app.py file is. Finally, run the app using Python command. You will get a local host link to the server on which the model has been loaded that you can use right away. Click on the link or copy and open the link in a browser. You will have a web app like this. Enter a simple text like this. Select any one of the voices from the list. Click on Create. Give the model a moment, and you will have the audio of the text you entered. Let's play it and see how it sounds. Kokoro-Onnx, turning words into emotion, one voice at a time. You can test other voices too. Download the audio using the download option. We will use it in speech-to-text model. Close the terminal where the app is running. Let's see what Autosubs has got. Visit the release pages of Autosubs and download the installer here. Go ahead and install it. Autosubs must be available in the Start menu. Open it. Autosubs has two modes. We will look into standalone mode here. From here, the app is almost self-explanatory. Leave the input language to default. In the AI transcription model, choose base model. At 150 MB, it's the most efficient model for your daily needs. Got a GPU? Then enable it for acceleration. In the text formatting section, leave everything to default. Go straight down and click the Start Transcription button. In a moment, you will have the subtitles that you can read through and even edit. Finally, you can download it. There you go, Kokoro for text to speech. Autosubs with Whisper model for speech to text.